What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Mark McNeely here. What's up? What's up? So in this video, I want to talk about, man, that there is a record-breaking 3.28 million people that has filed unemployment because of the coronavirus. All right, the COVID-19 has taken over, and so what I want to do, guys, is help you all bulletproof your income. And so that's the purpose of this video. So I want to talk about how you can make money right now during this time of crisis, during this time of just financial discord, right? So I'm gonna bounce around several ideas for you all to really think about and really consider, and really just really put your head on and really start thinking about how you can make this possible for you and your family. Right now, we know that many people are losing jobs like crazy. Many people are laid off. Many people can't come back. I mean, we got to really think about all of the people like in the restaurant industry, people that are just, pretty much, in all types of workforce settings, and they cannot get back to work. I talked to a restaurant owner or a restaurant manager, excuse me, and on this one particular Saturday, he was making what? He said he only made $1,000 on a Saturday, and this was a big, well-known food chain restaurant, right? And so with that being said, he's like, man, we went from making $12,000 in a night to $1,000, man. And so that means that people are just not going out. They're not eating. They can't, because of different service orders in their local state, county. All right. And so here we are. All right. They say millionaires are born during times like this, right? They say that people can really come up on their financial game during times like this. And it's always during times of crisis when people really, when people really just, when they're in like crisis mode, they really now can take another look at everything with a new set of eyes, right? And so just a little bit about me. Back in 2011, guys, that was my crisis moment. I was laid off. I was working as a mental health social worker for a nonprofit agency, guys, and I was making $345 a week, right? $345 a week. I was on unemployment. My wife was basically finishing up, I believe, with beauty school. She was in cosmetology school, and so it was on me, man. We had to live off of $345 a week, and it was not good. I was on food stamps. I was just really struggling to pay rent and car note and all this stuff. But what happened was, one day I was browsing online, and I actually ran across some work from home information. And when I ran across that work from home information, I took a look at it. I took a deeper dive into it. And that was when my journey started. That was when I actually got going working from home, right? And so that is really how I got started in the industry, right? It was through times of crisis. Excuse me, guys, my ear is itching. That was really during the time of crisis. And so a lot of Americans, a lot of people across the globe right now, they are going through a time of crisis financially. And so what I want to do is encourage you not to give in, not to give out, not to give up, but to really, really focus in on, putting together some unique opportunity for yourself and for others, right? So here's what we're going to talk about: some different ideas of what you can start doing or thinking about in terms of bringing some more income to the table. So I want you guys to really think about your strengths, right? So everybody has a strength. All of our strengths are different. If you think about athletes, if you think about cooks, if you think about fashion designers, comedians, people that are good with working with their hands, all right? I want you to think about all of your strengths. Think about the things that you normally would do or say on a day-by-day basis, or what people really admire about you on a day-by-day basis, right? I want you to think about those things, all right? And I want you to really think about what is it that you're passionate about, and what is it that you believe that you have a really good skill set. And what you want to do is you want to focus on that skill set, and then think about next, who would be your targeted audience? Who would be your market? Like, what would be your marketplace? So for an example, we've got the coronavirus going on. Everybody's focusing in on, boosting their immune system. You can't go to the store and find any type of vitamin C, any type of vitamin B12 or B6 or omegas, because people are just jacking it off of their shelves, right? Well, if you're someone, let's say you are a herbalist and you're like really passionate about using natural remedies to help heal the body. Let's say you're passionate about that, right? Well, one of the things you can do is you can actually start creating content online, such as using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, right? Start building up your following, and then actually you can actually just start promoting or selling your own product or service to teach people how to how to do that, like how to actually put together these health related immune boosters, right? And so at this time, the health and wellness market is a huge market, just to let you guys know, because of the virus that's going on right now. This whole pandemic right now is it's going crazy. So that's one of the things you guys definitely want to focus in on, right? You want to focus in on adding your strengths, right? So that's just one thing. You might be a good cook, and of course you can't go anywhere to cook, but you can start making recipes and doing different things at home, teaching people how to actually cook or make different dishes, all right, to help them during this time, right? People will gladly pay you for that information, especially if they're interested, right? So these are just some of the ideas, really focusing on your strengths. Everybody has strengths, and then you want to promote your strengths out to everyone that is interested, that's targeted, right? And so what we do, guys, what I do is I help people with that. I show people how you can actually take your strength and bottle that strength up and get it out to the marketplace. So what I am what's called an affiliate marketer. And sorry guys, there's a garbage truck in the back there dumping garbage. But so I am what's called an affiliate marketer. And so I take products and services that are digital, right? And I promote those products and I advertise those products and I build content around those products, all right, to my targeted audience, to people that is interested in these types of products and services, right? And then for every person that actually purchases the product or service, I make a commission. I make 100% of the commission. And those commissions range anywhere from $25 all the way up to $1,000. And I get paid instantly from the comfort of my home. And so what I'm just trying to share with you guys is that you can actually do different types of things. If you're into fashion or accessories, hey, you can create content around your accessories, build a following, build an audience, and promote those accessories right to your targeted audience. All right. Same thing with just exercising. Like you might be a fitness coach, all right, and you can't get out to the gym. Well, you can create exercises. You can charge people whatever it is, a fee to get these exercises, since people have to be home, right? That's another way that you can generate and create revenue every single day. You can create your your payment processor. There's different ways that you can receive those funds from people. You can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, you can use Cash App. However you want to be paid for those services that you've provided, that is what you can do. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. I know there's so many Americans and people all over the globe that is just really struggling and suffering right now financially. So I just really wanted to take the time to let you guys know what's out here, what's available to you guys. You don't have to just settle for nothing, you don't have to live in fear, but you can take your finances in your own hand and actually just really get that information out. Now, another thing you can do is you can create content using YouTube, and once you get to about 1,000 viewers, all right, or 1,000 subscribers, excuse me, you can actually monetize your channel for income. Like, meaning you can allow YouTube to have other advertisers or other marketers promote their products or services on your channel, and you can receive a commission. So how cool is that, man? So these are just some of the strategies. I hope you like this video, guys. Remember, like, share, comment. If you're interested in partnering with me and learning how you can make $100 to $300 per day using just some simple affiliate marketing techniques, there will be a link below in the description box. Go ahead and click that link, enter your email in so you can get the information, and then I'll see you guys on that on that video, on that next video. All right, so take care, guys. I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys real soon. Have a good day.